Why do 80% of Netflix users binge-watch new shows? The secret lies in their AI. Once upon a time, Netflix was just a DVD rental service. Fast forward to today, and it's a global streaming giant. So how did Netflix make this epic transformation? The answer is innovation, especially in artificial intelligence. Netflix uses AI to personalize your streaming experience. Each time you watch a show or movie, Netflix's AI analyzes your viewing habits. It learns from your likes, dislikes, and even how long you watch. This info helps Netflix recommend shows and movies you're likely to love. But wait, there's more. Netflix also uses AI to decide which original series to create. Ever heard of House of Cards? The decision to produce it was heavily influenced by AI. Netflix's algorithms analyzed viewer data and found a strong interest in political dramas. The result? A smash hit. And that's not all. AI also helps Netflix optimize video quality, reduce buffering, and even create subtitles in multiple languages. Talk about a multitasker. So the next time you're hooked on a Netflix series, remember AI plays a starring role in your binge-watching experience. Pretty cool, right? Stay tuned for more tech insights, and don't forget to like and follow for more awesome content.